So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to switch from survival to creative mode in Minecraft Java Edition on PC. So creative mode allows you to access many more items. To begin, pause the game by pressing the escape key on your keyboard. Next, click on open to LAN option. Enter allow commands is enabled. Then beside that, you'll get the option of game mode, where you can simply click and switch your mode, such as survival, spec and all. Once you're happy with the mode that you selected, click on apply changes and you'll be done. You can also go to your chat section, press the T button on your keyboard, then enter / game mode followed by the game mode that you want to play in. Hit enter on your keyboard and you'll be done. You've successfully changed your game mode to creative and you can access all its features. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.